Welcome to Law Family. This video is helpful to the young law students and to newly practicing advocates only. Today we discuss about the sections 303, 1 and 2 of BNS Act 2023. Corresponding law section is 378 and 379 of IPC.
Section 303, 1 of BNS Act 2023, theft. Whoever intending to take dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of any person without that person's consent moves that property in order to such taking is said to commit theft. Section 303(2), punishment for theft shall be punished up to 3 years with fine and both. In case subsequent conviction, the person shall be rigorous imprisonment, shall not less than 1 year, and may extend 5 years with fine.
Section 303(1) has to constitute theft. 5 factors are essential. Evidence proof. 1 is dishonest intention to take property. Second, the property must be movable. Third, it should be taken out of the possession of another person. Fourth, it should be taken without the consent of that person. Fifth, there must be some removal of property movable in order to accomplish the taking of it.
Important points. Mistake. If a person takes another man's property, believing under a mistake of fact and in ignorance of law that he has a right to take it, he is not guilty of theft because there is no dishonest intention, even though he may cause wrongful loss.
Evidence proof. Witness and seized properties are distinct elements, and the identity of one does not determine the admissibility or weight of the other. Weight of the other witness provide testimony about the events related to the crime, while seized property is physical evidence potentially linking the accused to the crime. This is the most important point here. While seized property is physical evidence potentially linking the accused to the crime. 2. Witness testimony is crucial for establishing the facts of the case, and the credibility of the facts of the case and the credibility of their accounts is assessed by the court.
Point 5. The site plan is a very important piece of evidence and it must bear the sign of the witness. In the absence of signature of witness, credibility of site plan cannot be substantiated. Point 4. It is the settled principle of criminal jurisprudence that the prosecution required to prove its case beyond all reasonable doubt. Accused is presumed to be innocent unless proved guilty, and the accused is entitled to the benefit of every reasonable doubt. The accused successfully dent the case of the prosecution and also able to create a doubt in the mind of the court, and the benefit of the same must be given to him. Point 5. The non-production of the properties seized under marked exhibits during trial is very much fatal to the case of the complainant.
Point 6 is, lastly, the very important point is the prosecution needs to prove the accused's possession of the stolen property and that it was indeed stolen, and also witness testimony especially from individuals who can identify the property or site in the accused's possession. It is crucial evidence. CCTV footage or forensic evidence can also be used to link the stolen property to the accused and support the prosecution's case. This video is helpful purely theory part, and the Honorable Court decides on merits each case.
Thank you.
Thank you.